October 16, Monday morning meditation. When the going gets tough, the tough get going. Not seeing as much from the tough tribe these days. All too many people are packing it in at the faintest sign of opposition, the slightest bit of imposition, the most imperceptible movement of their cheese. Why have people become so weary? Why do people bail on their hard-thought strategy as soon as the market moves the slightest bit away from them? Meditate on these data points. 42% of marriages result in divorce. That includes second marriages. People just be walking away after all those tasty pigs in blankets at the cocktail hour. Employment tenure stats from the BLS show departures after just 4 years. Hardly enough time to earn that gold watch. Bankruptcy filings continue to rise after a slight drop-off in 2020. Go figure. People feeling the pain of inflation compounding their debt. Many ways to slice stats. The fact remains, when humans grow weary, we seek comfort. Perceived comfort. This week, consider your own tendency to fall short on effort because of a little more distance was put between where you are and where you want to be. In the Halloween spirit, identify the tricks out there distracting you from staying the course and get back in the queue for true professional treats. Be agitated by those siphoning gas from your tank of motivation, creativity, and mindset. Recalibrate the effort necessary to achieve the outcomes you have been led away from and charge toward them with renewed faith. Carry on, my wayward son. There will be peace when you are done. Get in the race.